this is your girl Mizuki and welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be doing another cool video. As you can see, I did a Wish haul. I ordered some supplies, art supplies from Wish and reviewed them all. And I actually, while I was doing that video, I ordered more art supplies. So they actually all arrived by today. So I'm actually shooting a couple of more art supply reviews today. So let's get to the video. So the first thing we're going to be reviewing is this cool 40-piece set. It's called Touch New. And yeah, this is what it comes with. This cool little packet right here, you know, zippers, clothes, and everything. Good material, I would have to say, but I would probably never use it. Now, let's go into the markers. So what's kind of weird is, and this is why when you order from Wish, you'll get this type of stuff. So on this it says Touch New, but on the marker it says Touch 5. So, you know, kind of weird there. So let's get into the details on these markers. So here you go. This is Touch 5 right here. It has two different type of tips. And the first tip, obviously it's a fine tip, and then the other one, it's a chisel tip. So it has like a little angle. Most of the markers have that other than the brush. Right. I'll show you some swatches down here below. Now as for the swatches, the colors are very, very vibrant. I would have to say they're really good. A marker, you know, they didn't come dry, which is really good. Usually, I think I ordered from another website once and I received my markers, some of them dry, and I felt like I needed my money back, which they did. They refilled the marker, they gave me back the marker. But as for all of these were really good, vibrant. I had no problems with them at all when I did the swatches. The only thing is that it does seep into the paper, so make sure you guys put something behind it so it doesn't ruin your paper, the next paper that you're going to be working on. The next thing I'm going to be reviewing is another set of markers. This is by Sipa. And it's a 10-piece marker. I think it's Sipa or Sipa. They come in 0.38 millimeters. And yeah, so this is the packaging. Typical marker, you know, they give you the colors at the bottom and at the top. So here you go. Cool packaging. I think it was kind of sleek looking. It's obviously not English. And here's a tip. Very thin. Like I said, 0.38 millimeters. Next thing I'm going to be reviewing is another set, like linear fine line ink pens. I actually keep them like this. I had them in my arts travel video, but here you go. They came in 5, so I got a 0.5, a 0.3, 0.2, 0.1, and 0.05. There you go. As for the packaging, very sleek. And these are called Uni Pin fine lines, just if I forgot to mention it. Here you go. Here's the 0.05. This is the thickest one. Now I did test these out. These are really, really good. I would have to say they are waterproof, so if you decide to do watercolor on top of these do not budge, they do not bleed, which is really good. Next one I'm going to be reviewing, I got these 3 cool markers. Probably going to butcher the name. The name is Genvana, and this is what they look like. I thought they were really cool when I saw the picture. It has like a nice gunmetal look to it, and then it has the gold writing over here in the different language and the title of the marker name. So I got 3, and then they're all different tips. So the first tip is a brush, which is really nice. You're gonna see the swatches in a few minutes. So we got that one. Then we have 2 that are kind of similar, but the tips are different. One is thinner than the other one, so if you can see by the camera, this one's thicker, this one's a finer tip. Now, they're really cool. I like them a lot. The swatches, you can do calligraphy, you can do a lot of font work with these. So if you're into the font, I would definitely recommend these. If not, then I wouldn't get them at all, because you can definitely find other stuff like my Copic of fine line markers better than these. The next one, they're not an art supply, they're just highlighters, but I thought the packaging was really adorable, so I bought these. They're like little pills. They look like little pills that you would take for medicine. But look at these. Hold on, let's see if I can actually... So these are right here. Look at them, they're so cute. They have like little faces. But yeah, so these are highlighters. If you like cute things, I recommend these. These are really cool and small, so if you go to school, these are really good to keep them in your book bag. Nothing like big like the regular staple highlighters. These are just really cute. Cool. I have 2 products left that I'm going to be reviewing. So the first one is just a regular pencil, but I thought it was really cool because I don't have a 2.0 millimeter size lead. So this is the first thing, and then the cool one is going to come right after. I'm going to just wait. So then, yeah, so this is what it is. The regular lead pencil. The cool thing is I ordered this, and then next to it, there was like a little link in Wish saying that they recommend this item. So this item, this is the next one I'm going to be reviewing. So this is like electric eraser. So I've never seen this before, so I don't know if you guys have one and you love it, but I actually think it's really cool. I didn't think it was going to work in the beginning, but when I actually tried it out, which I'm going to post a video right here, it actually is pretty dope. I think it's really cool. So you're going to listen to it? My dog freaks out every time. You're going to see it. Come here. Now the the electric eraser actually comes with a whole bunch of erasers right here. This is how it comes in. I actually have to take it out. Yeah. So this is, there's no specific name of the eraser. It just says freaking eraser, but it comes with a whole bunch of erasers right here, because you can actually take the nib apart. Once it's all gone, you see, you could just pull it out, and that's it, you know? So hope you guys like this video. I think this will be my last Wish haul. I went through the internet, the Wish app, and I think I purchased everything that I thought was interesting. I didn't see anything else other than more markers and more markers, and I think I have enough markers for right now. I just ordered a couple of things from Amazon, and I have another thing that I received in the mail by Monotones, so I have to review that as well. Guys, I'm excited to review what I just got in the mail. But other than that, I hope you guys like this video. Subscribe, like, and yeah, any comments, leave them down below. This is your girl Mizuki, and she's out.